New iMac with a Core Duo processor all morning. Right here. And as I mentioned, this is bundled with every new Mac. Our Pro Apps, we are going to have our Pro Apps universal in March. This is Final Cut, Aperture, and Logic Pro. And if you've got the latest and greatest version of one of these Pro Apps, you can trade in the discs for new universal discs that'll run on PowerPC and Intel for just $49. We call it a cross grade for just $49. Now, all of our developers, of course, are in the process of making their applications universal too. We didn't tell any of our developers that we were going to be announcing these systems as early as today, because we like a good secret as much as the next person. But they've been marching steadily towards making universal products, and several have been announced at Macworld here already. And one of them I just wanted to point out by a major company, Quark. Quark has announced the next version of its premier product, Quark Express, is going to be completely universal, and they've announced a beta program here at Macworld, and the beta is universal right from the start. So we're starting to see things like this already. We're thrilled with this. Now, until our developers get all their apps universal, we are shipping a technology with every new Mac with an Intel processor called Rosetta. And Rosetta runs most PowerPC applications completely transparently. And one of the applications that's not yet universal that most of us use that runs fabulously under Rosetta is Office. And so until Office gets completely native, I think everybody's going to have just a fine experience running it under Rosetta. And what I'd love to do is invite Roz Ho, the General Manager of the Macintosh Business Unit, on stage to say a few words about Microsoft Office and the Mac. Hey, Roz. Thank you, Roz. So, Rosetta is going to be a great bridge until we get all the apps universal. And I would encourage all the developers to just, let's work even harder in the next several months and get these apps universal and get them out there. So I'd like to just show you a demo of a few things running over here on this machine we've been using all morning. Let me go put this away and bring this up. And let me go ahead and just launch Microsoft Word here. And again, you can just see, scrolling through Word. It's really nice. Performance is really good in Office. And I think everybody will have a great experience using it in Rosetta. It works like a champ. Now, let me show you another one. This is Photoshop running in Rosetta. And Photoshop always takes a second to load. But this is one of these kinds of demos we used to do to